of class 12. Today we are going to discuss the current in LCR series circuit when AC EMF is applied across it, and also we shall discuss other factors which are controlling the power consumed, that is phase difference between current and net EMF across the LCR circuit. Now in this diagram you see that when an EMF of E is equal to E0 sin omega t sinusoidal wave is applied across the circuit, then in that case you see that we already know, and according to that we see that the voltage across the inductive circuit is leading the current passing through it, and voltage across the capacitive circuit is lagging behind the current, and the same current flows through the inductance, capacitance and the resistance. Therefore current is represented on x-axis along positive x-axis direction, while the potential difference VL across the inductance is represented along the positive y-axis, and the potential difference across capacitance, that is VC, is represented along the negative y-axis. Now since VL and VC are opposite to each other, therefore the resultant of these two is along y-axis, and in case we assume that VL is greater than VC, then the net voltage will be along positive y-axis due to VL and VC, and that will be VL minus VC. Now we already know that in a purely resistive circuit the current and voltage are in same phase, therefore the potential difference across the resistance is along the x-axis, and therefore the resultant potential drop across LCR circuit will be the resultant of VL minus VC along y-axis and VR along x-axis. They are at 90 degree, therefore the resultant of these two will be given by the Pythagoras theorem. So OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square, or that is OB square. And from that fact we can very much understand that the relation for the potential difference will be given by this VL minus VC within bracket whole square plus VR square, and on putting the value of VL and VC and similarly VR, we get the net potential difference given by this expression, and from that we can have VL LCR series circuit is equal to impedance Z LCR series into I current in the series circuit. And what is Z? Z is the impedance, which is a combination of reactive circuit and resistive circuit. So here the impedance Z becomes within bracket omega L minus 1 by omega C bracket close whole square plus R square. And so the phase difference between potential across LCR circuit and the applied voltage and current passing through the LCR circuit, that the net voltage across LCR circuit and that the current flowing through the LCR circuit is given by phi is equal to tan inverse VL minus VC by VR. This is directly coming from the diagram, phasor diagram of LCR circuit, which we have drawn. So which we have drawn here earlier, you can see it again. This is the phasor diagram of LCR circuit, and from this diagram we find the phase difference phi. So this is all for today. Or also one thing I will say, that this is also called a acceptor circuit, because when in the case of resonance, that is when XL is equal to XC, in that case the current in the circuit is maximum and impedance it becomes resistive, and that is equal to R, that is minimum value, and also the phase difference between current and voltage becomes 0. And so as the frequency is differed from the resonating frequency, the less and less becomes the value of current in the circuit, and more becomes the value of impedance of the circuit. Thank you and have a nice day.